meter here, and that's what it said the problem was. So I changed it out, and I started my engine. And the light was still on. The engine light was still on. So I drove around, it was still on. I went back under, took it apart, and reassembled it. We just unscrewed it and screwed it back in and make sure the electrical connector was in there real good. Drove around, the light was still on. Okay, what now? I went and did some research, and one gentleman said that you should disconnect the battery and reconnect and drive around, or have it disconnected while you're installing. Well, I disconnected my battery and went under and disconnected this and reconnected it. Drove around, nothing. The engine light stayed on. Took my reader, the same problem. Okay, now I just paid over $80 for this sensor. And not only that, I found out later on that you can get 2 of these for the same price on eBay. Okay, lesson learned. However, my main concern now was, why is this engine light still on? It took a few days for it to go out, but it was after I did some highway driving that it went out. Diversity 2, installing my oxygen sensor upstream in my 2004 Denali Yukon. And it wasn't until I disconnected the battery, I assume it reset whatever it was that was causing the alarm, a signal, and everything is fine now. The engine light is out. So when I started up, engine light is out, and everything's looking good. That's my seatbelt light over there, but everything is fine now.